Hello, second graders. Today we're going to start with a lesson about color. So, color can be divided into so many different ways. You already know your primary colors, red, yellow, blue. You know your secondary colors, which are orange, green, and violet. Well, today we're going to talk about warm colors and cool colors. And then we're going to create a piece of art with these in mind. So warm colors are colors that you think of when you think hot. Definitely red. Oh my goodness, that makes me feel hot. Yellow, orange. All of those colors in that range, whether it be red orange or yellow orange, anything in this range is considered a warm color. Cool colors are the colors that you think of maybe when you're watching Disney movie Frozen. So lots and lots of blue. Blue kind of makes us think of ice, and greens are also in the cool family, and violets. Okay, and again, anything in these ranges, so if you've got a blue violet, that's still in the cool family, blue green, all right? And so today you are going to be choosing one set of these for the background of your piece. We are going to be creating a snowman. So the snowman will be, and we're not doing it right now, I'm just kind of showing you to get you to understand. The snowman's going to be in the middle. We're going to divide the background into 4, and then you are going to have 4 colors that are either from the cool family or from the warm family. So this one might be, if you chose warm, this one might be yellow. I'm just going to put a Y. This one might be red, orange, and then maybe like a red orange, okay? So what your background for today's project is either going to be the warm family or the cool family. All right, so let's get started. You are going to need a white piece of paper. You're going to need a ruler, or if you don't have one, it'll be okay. We're going to divide the background with it at the end. You need something to draw with, a pencil, and then you're going to need something to color with those warm colors or cool colors. I like crayons, so that's what I would choose. But again, it's up to you. So now that you have your supplies, pause the video and go get them if you don't, and then come back. All right, so we're going to get started. We're going to start with actually the hat of our snowman. So you're going to be drawing a rectangle. This rectangle is the bottom piece, and on top of that, you're going to do another rectangle coming up, okay? From there, you're going to start with the head, okay, of your snowman, and you can see that I have a big area here down here. As you know, each section gets a little bigger. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lightly pencil the bottom part of my snowman, and then I'm going to kind of connect with another piece. Okay, so now that I like those light drawn, I'm going to go ahead and darken them so you can see it. Okay, and then my bottom section is going to, I think I'm going to bring it over here. Oh, I didn't like that. I should have stayed with my original sketch. So anytime you have a oopsie doodle, you just take your eraser and fix it. No worries. All right, now for my snowman, I am going to do, in the middle of his face, a curve that kind of looks like the letter C a little bit, okay? And then over here by the edge, I'm going to put a dot. Then I'm going to connect these. This is going to be my snowman's nose from the side, okay? So I'm going to put his eyes. His eyes are just kind of lumps. And then his little mouth is going to be made up of little raisins. And I'm going to put him in a smile, okay? And then coming out to the side, we are going to do some branches. So I'm going to start with one line on each side. From that, I'm going to add some branches. I like them not perfect. And then I'm going to thicken them all. So I'm going to make this one thicker, with a double line, and that one, and that one. Just giving it a little bit of thickness there. And so I'm going to do the same thing over here, giving that a little bit of thickness. Oop, not enough. Okay. All right. Next, I really like it when snowmen wear scarves. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to draw a kind of a collar looking shape. And then from that collar, then I'm going to bring down 2 pieces, like it's kind of tied. And then at the end here, I like to do some circles. So I'll like put 4 circles across. And from my little circles, I do these little like, almost like zigzags coming down, real tight little zigzags, because I just go up and back. It's like a little, you know, fringe. Okay, so now that we have him drawn, we're ready to divide the background. So you're going to need your ruler, like I said. If you want to get really precise, you can take your piece of paper. You can put your edges together, kind of like you're going to fold it. But instead of folding it, just run your fingers out here and just give it a little pinch. What that's going to do is it's going to give you the exact center of your paper. And you would do that at both ends, okay? So you know right where the middle is. This is not a big fold. It's just a tiny little pinch. You can barely even see it on my screen. So when I line those up, I'm going to draw my line, but it's going to stop at my hat. Because I have no space underneath my snowman, that line will not go. Okay, so now I'm going to take the paper and do it the other way. Remember, stop and push pause at any moment when you feel like it is, when it is going too fast. So now I've got this, and I'm going to go stop at the arm. Got a little bit in there, a little bit there, and on over. Okay, so now I have 4 different sections. So now as I color my snowman, I can make the hat black or brown. I'm going to make my eyes and my mouth black, carrot orange. I'm going to make my arms brown. And then in the background, these 4 sections, you are going to be picking 4 different colors. They're either going to come from the warm family or the cool family. So maybe think about pausing the video and picking out those 4 colors before you start working. Maybe set those to the side. So, and also pink is in this family. So if I had 4 warm colors, here they are. I would set those to the side and I would begin. It does not matter which one you choose, but stick with one. I could not have these 3 colors and then a blue. That doesn't work. You cannot mix them up, okay? You have to stay with the warm family if that's what you're choosing, all right? Okay, happy coloring, everybody. Oh, when you're done, make sure that you put a picture up on the media album, please.